In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change phone number on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Edit Profile and then scroll down until you find the personal information settings. Then tap at Contact Info, and that's where you will find all your phone numbers. You can add multiple phone numbers here, and all you have to do in order to add new one is just tap at Add New Contact, then add mobile number, then enter your new mobile number here, and then choose accounts for this number. You can select multiple accounts at the same time. In this way, right here it says that adding this number will replace my previous number on this Instagram account. And once you've done with that, just hit Add Change, and new phone number will be added to that list. After that, you can open up the existing one and then tap at Delete Number. That's how you can easily change your phone number on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.